Hi guys, I'm Harsh from Clever Ideas. Today I will be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube in 5 to 6 seconds. Okay, let's begin. First of all, you'll need a Rubik's Cube. Like I have got this one here. Okay, so now let's start. First of all, you have to put this yellow color on the top. Like this is my top and I'm putting on the top, and the white color on the back. So as you can see, top and back. So now you do this. This is on the top and this is on the back. I'm repeating again. Okay, so now all you do it like this. Yellow on the top and white on the back. I'm repeating again and again. Okay, so now let's start. You do like this. See? R D See, now this is the shape that you have made. Okay, now then you when you apply that formula that I have shown you now, makes this shape on the yellow, this. So now you have to take this shape in this position, okay, like this, okay, this position, and now you apply the same formula. Okay, so now as you can see, now the shape is again formed. So now there's a yellow block here. Then now in this step, your Rubik's Cube will be completely solved. So now we have to do this formula again. Put the Rubik's Cube like this, and let's start R T. See, now you move it 2 times and it's completely solved. Okay, so now let's do stopwatch.